Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Garot sa mi, maayong buntag, maayong udto, maayong gabi. Guys, ang ako nga buhaton karon, mag-try ko himuog chicken Kalderita. Oh. First time nga maghimo kog chicken Kalderita, guys, para tanaw na nato kung unsay resulta, no? Tanaw na to kung unsay resulta. Oh, mama ba. Okay, guys. Let's go do it. Unya, guys, kay wala koy no salt. Wala koy tomato paste, tomato sauce. Okay ra no, guys, no? Sige lang, try lang na to, no? Nya na yung katong gamay nga harina, unsa pa to later. Alright. Magsugod na ta. There you go. Ano na nako ni ka man na mo kuan ni siya, guys. Ano ko na siyang chicken. Guys, gulunod na nako ang chicken. Ambot kung insakto ba ni? Dira, gamay na ko ang ito na ko ang carrots. Ito na ko ang carrots. Interest gihuat ni na ko ang chicken. Guys, almost done. You can see getting brown like me. And this one's boiling. We'll see. We'll see, guys, if I know what I'm doing. I will just try, you know. I hope you guys will like it. Now, it's about time to transfer this. Okay, bukal-bukal biya, guys. See? Karon ato nang ilunod
Is it screwing up, Mommy?
ang kani. Kidagan ako ang sili, guys. Kaya mukaon ba akong sili niya, mga unsad sila. Ay, na may usang one apple og prito. O, gahi kayo ni ron.
And then I think they want us to attach it. Guys, we're building it. Guys, we're building it. Yeah, Mommy.
How long, huh? Half hour?
I don't know. That's my husband. He asked if I'm gonna cook. They're gonna be done after half hours. You think so, guys? I don't know. No? Now we'll cover for right now, and then I will prepare the I will prepare, iandam na nako ang dyan pineapple o tomato sauce. No? Tomato sauce, guys. Abli na si Hans tomato sauce. Pag ato na siyang ibutang. Ambot kong hotdog ni siya, guys. I really don't know.
Hey, Mom. Hey, Mom. I got Dad's table ready.
Ambot lang o hurot na siya. I don't know if you use it all or not. I'm scared, guys. Something flying from.
Yeah, well, like I said, I got the tables on, and I thought I did a pretty good job. Well, I tried to make it. Oh, and guys, there's a twist. There's an envelope that has your name in it. Well, not your name, but you know, one of our names.
Whose name? Here's my pineapple, guys, and pineapple.
Some pineapple.
And we'll do the pineapple here.
Whoa, there's snow. Ooh, that looks delicious. Look, well, Daddy was grilling outside.
You know what is this, guys? I'm just pretending like I know what I'm doing, but hey,
No, you know what you're doing.
I really don't know what's.
No, you know what you're doing. You know what you're doing, Mommy. What was it
Cover
called? Tekra? Chico?
And I don't know what is that.
What do you call this, Mommy? What do you call the food?
That's my seasonings there. Matcha all the way to the floor.
To syrup and oils.
Alright. What looks like, guys? Is it come out good? You know what I put this? This one. See? Nestle cream. And I will add a little bit because to make it more.
Mommy?
Yeah?
Mommy?
Yeah?
You got a present outside. It's called squirrel poop. Here you go.
Put it in.
Okay. I'll see. Now we got another one to open. Gosh, do you like my new accent?
Alright.
So be careful with that, dog. It really
If I am in the house. What looks like, guys? Is that come out Kalderita, guys? Huh? What do you think? And I put a little brown sugar in it. I put a little brown sugar. Look at it. Looks like Kalderita to me. But I really don't know. And that's how much that I put the Nestle cream. No? So this is done. This is done, guys.
Mommy, these two are open.
Now we gotta try.
Yes, you can try it
See.
on. But you can't forget these things. You can try the liquid stuff. I don't really even remember what I was again.
Mhm.
I can't breathe. Hello.
Pancham, guys. Good. Tastes good to me. But I don't know them. But I eat anything. I'm from the mountain. See? I think they will like it. It's done, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys, for watching. If you like this video, guys, please subscribe, like and share. Don't forget to click the button, guys, please. Thank you, guys. Thank you for all your support.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share and like. Ring the bell.